If you've ever spent hours perfecting your makeup only to have it fade or melt away by midday, you know the importance of a good setting spray. Finding a setting spray that locks in your makeup, controls shine, and keeps your look fresh all day is key to a flawless finish. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 setting sprays that guarantee long-lasting makeup. These products are game changers when it comes to keeping your makeup in place, no matter the occasion. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. The MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus is a cult favorite setting spray that has become a staple in many makeup routines. Known for its hydrating formula, it not only locks in makeup but also refreshes the skin for a dewy, glowing finish. This setting spray offers multifunctional use, acting as a primer, refresher, and makeup setter. Key features: the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus contains a blend of vitamins and minerals that help to hydrate the skin while setting your makeup. The formula is lightweight and comes in a fine mist that evenly distributes over your face. It's available in a variety of scents and is often infused with additional skin benefits like cucumber extract and green tea. Benefits and usage: this setting spray can be used before or after makeup application. As a primer, it helps to smooth out the skin for better makeup application. After finishing your makeup, a quick spritz of Fix Plus helps to set everything in place while providing a natural, glowing finish. It's great for adding extra hydration and helping makeup to look more fresh and dewy. Usability: the spray bottle is easy to use and delivers a fine mist that doesn't disrupt your makeup. It works well with all skin types, though it's especially good for dry skin due to its moisturizing properties. It can also be used throughout the day to refresh your makeup without disturbing the application. Durability: while it provides a great, hydrated look, Fix Plus is more of a refreshing spray than a heavy-duty setting spray. It's perfect for achieving a glowy finish, but it might require a re-spritz if you need ultra-long-lasting wear. For most people, it helps makeup stay in place for a solid 6 to 8 hours. In the second spot, we have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is a professional-grade makeup setter designed to keep makeup in place all day and night. It's known for its ability to lock in makeup while blurring imperfections, leaving the skin with a soft focus, airbrushed effect. Key features: this setting spray contains a blend of ingredients like film-forming agents and hydrating elements that create a breathable shield over your makeup. It's also infused with witch hazel extract and rose water to give your skin a refreshing boost while setting your makeup. The mist is fine, ensuring an even, lightweight application. Benefits and usage: the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is perfect for those looking to create a smooth, flawless finish. After applying your makeup, a spritz of this setting spray helps to lock everything in place for up to 16 hours. It also provides a matte finish, making it ideal for oily skin, as it controls shine and reduces the appearance of pores. Usability: the packaging is elegant and user-friendly, with a fine mist that applies evenly without disrupting makeup. This product works well for all skin types, but it's especially beneficial for people with oily or combination skin due to its oil-controlling properties. Durability: the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is known for its long-lasting power. It promises up to 16 hours of wear without your makeup fading or creasing, making it one of the most durable setting sprays on the market. Whether you're heading to a special event or just need your makeup to last all day, this product delivers on its promises. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. The Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray is an affordable yet high-performance setting spray that promises to keep your makeup in place for up to 16 hours. It's known for its matte finish and oil-controlling properties, making it a great choice for those with oily or combination skin. Key features: this setting spray is formulated with microfine mist technology, which ensures an even application without disturbing your makeup. It's free from oils and parabens, and the formula helps to control shine while setting makeup in place. The lightweight mist gives the face a natural matte finish without feeling heavy. Benefits and usage: after applying your makeup, a few spritzes of Maybelline Lasting Fix helps to set everything in place while mattifying the skin. It's great for keeping makeup fresh throughout the day, especially for those who experience oil buildup or shine. Use it before an event or throughout the day for quick touch-ups. Usability: the easy-to-use spray nozzle ensures a fine mist application. Its matte finish makes it an ideal option for people with oily skin or anyone who prefers a non-dewy look. It's also perfect for long days or humid environments where makeup needs to stay intact without feeling sticky. Durability: Maybelline Lasting Fix lives up to its promises with a strong 16-hour hold. Whether you're running errands or attending a special event, your makeup will stay put without needing to reapply. The matte finish also helps to keep shine at bay, ensuring a fresh look all day. Taking our fourth spot is NYX Matte Finish. The NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray is a popular, budget-friendly product designed to lock makeup in place while controlling oil and shine. Its lightweight formula provides a smooth matte finish that helps to keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless throughout the day. Key features: this setting spray features a non-greasy formula that controls shine without drying out the skin. It's available in both matte and dewy finishes, giving you options depending on your desired look. The matte version is perfect for oily skin, as it helps to reduce shine and control oil buildup. Benefits and usage: the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray is ideal for creating a long-lasting matte look. After applying makeup, simply spritz it over your face to lock in your look and control shine. It's perfect for hot or humid days when your makeup tends to slide off or fade. Usability: the spray comes in a convenient, travel-sized bottle, making it easy to take on the go. Its fast-drying formula ensures that you don't have to wait around for it to set, and it works well with all makeup types, from foundation to powder products. Durability: this setting spray is known for its impressive durability, holding makeup in place for up to 12 hours. It helps to control oil and prevent makeup from breaking down, making it perfect for long days or nights out when you need your makeup to stay put. And finally, at number 5, we have Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is a fan favorite that's loved for its ultra-fine mist and refreshing feel. This setting spray promises to lock in your makeup while providing a dewy, hydrated finish. It's perfect for those who want a natural, fresh glow that lasts throughout the day. Key features: the Continuous Setting Mist features a continuous spray nozzle that releases an even, fine mist for effortless application. It contains a blend of natural ingredients that provide hydration while locking in your makeup. The formula is lightweight, making it perfect for a fresh, natural look. Benefits and usage: the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is ideal for those who want a natural, dewy finish that lasts. After applying makeup, spray it across your face for a flawless, hydrated finish that locks in your look. It's especially beneficial for those with dry skin who need extra moisture throughout the day. Usability: the continuous spray nozzle makes it easy to apply an even layer of mist across your face. The lightweight formula dries quickly without leaving any sticky residue, and it works well with all makeup types, giving a fresh, glowing finish. Durability: the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist offers a solid 8 to 10 hours of wear, helping to keep your makeup fresh and dewy throughout the day. It's perfect for those who need a quick refresh or for anyone looking for a long-lasting, dewy finish. Finding the perfect setting spray for long-lasting makeup is key to keeping your look fresh all day. Whether you're looking for a matte finish to control oil or a dewy glow to keep your skin looking radiant, these 5 setting sprays are some of the best options available. Which one will you be trying next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.